This has been Eric on Patmos in Greece. When I'm not working here on the island, I'm watching idiotic ramblings on Life is Good. Come on now.
Okay, well there's she's about 98% done. Or we could call it done, but a couple bugs work out. So I'll give you guys a little walk around. Yeah, I probably should have cleaned it up before the video. Get a little rain on it, a little dust from sitting. Probably could have closed that door. Let's close that door. Okay, now we got the door closed. So she got some rain on it, some dust, and handprints all over the glass. Just got it back from the interior shop. They put the door panels on and headliner in it for me. Give you guys a little walk around here. Check it out. I think she's turned out pretty good. Oh yeah, I shouldn't have done the video yet because the wheels and tires are not final. We're trying to get some custom wheels and tires made. And she's gonna need a lot more rubber on the ground in the rear because those tires cannot keep up with the motor. So there you go. Let's open the hood up and show you the beast under the hood there. And there is the 496 power plant. Still got some things to do to it as well. Gonna change this radiator out tomorrow. Put a bigger radiator in, a dual flow radiator and bigger fans. She's running a little bit on the warm side. Still got to bleed our hydro boost system out a little bit more and change that tank over there. We have a built aluminum tank for our windshield washer bottle here. Gotta get that put on. So still a few pieces to go yet. So gotta get the AC lines made for a AC compressor here to go to there, and get that made up, and we'll have the AC working. So work in progress, but not too bad for 6 months worth of work there, right? We got knocked out pretty quick. So we still got to clean the interior up from where interior shop got it all nasty and dirty. But there's the door panels, there's the dash, and I got the headliner in. I guess you can see it. Can you see the headliner up there? Got the perforated form. Turned out pretty nice. And I went all black interior because she was that burgundy. Still got to clean up some stuff. Rearview mirror, she was brand new. Interior shop broke it, which was Taiwan crap. Wasn't much of a mirror, if you ask me. Got the Restro Sounds audio in there, which is pretty jamming, man. Got the kick panel speakers on both sides. Got the amp and subs back here in the back with 6x9s in the corner. Show you the radio because it would be a couple of, but it is massive, you know. A lot of thump to it, but yeah. Need to polish more steering wheel up. She's all dirty. So yeah, we're getting there. Low fuel. Yes, I know. But anyway, we're getting her done, man. Getting her knocked out. So work in progress. So yeah, here's the wheel tubs. You guys ever see the bed in this thing? Here's the bed. Bigger tubs. That's why we can put a lot fatter tire up and under because we did a little tub action. We kind of did a color match Line-X on the bottom. And got to get in there and scrub people's footprints off where the body shop been in there sanding. And still got to tuck the bumper in. But yeah, man, that's just about the finished product there. Went from that old gray truck to this screaming 496 with a classy look. I think that paint scheme turned out pretty killer out there. I love it. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed the build series. Then we're going to keep working some of the bugs out of it. And right now she's a running, driving machine. So we're going to drive it, enjoy it, and go to a few car shows on the weekends. So all right, guys, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and we will see you on the next one.
Hey Tim, when I'm not watching idiotic ramblings with Life is Good, I'm grilling up a big fat ribeye and 2 fillets. Come on,